Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to share my Walmart beauty box. This is a seasonal subscription box that I belong to that I believe it's $6.98 a quarter. They send you sample items, full priced items, all bestsellers on Walmart or at Walmart. It's a lot of fun for $6.98. I have a whole playlist if you're interested in checking it out. I will have the Walmart link in the description box. It's a special website. For this one though, it is special. They reached out to me and via email and asked if I would like to upgrade my box for $10.98 and that I would have bigger, better products. So I said, sure. I figured it was worth a try to check it out. So that is what we have right here. I did peek and see if there were any makeup items in here, and there is only one. So I'm going to talk about that one first. You open the box, it's wrapped beautifully. There's tissue paper, it's pretty in there, and on the front it has Winter Wonders, and it's hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. And it has items in there that they believe you will be getting. I have had boxes that had variations, but I've always been pleased. If you're curious, any of the makeup that I have on my face, I of course will have it linked in the description box below. I have most of my Shop My Stash makeup on, my chopping block makeup, to see what I'm keeping, what is going. Stay tuned. I will have an update on that one. First product that I want to get into, because I don't have any mascara on, is the Covergirl Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. Let's see if we can find any information on here. Get youthful looking plumped lashes with Simply Ageless 3-in-1 Primer Serum Mascara for thicker, longer, and stronger lashes in just 4 weeks. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and bamboo serum. This one retails for $9.97. So right there, I've almost gotten all of my money back for this box. I have not tried a CoverGirl mascara in 100 years. I have way too many mascaras open, but I don't care. We're gonna play with it anyway. Let me go ahead and throw a couple of coats on, and I'll be right back. I'm back. Here is a few coats. I think it looks pretty darn good. I did have to build it up quite a bit. I would give it a B-. Not bad. And a lot of times when a mascara gets a couple of weeks in, it'll get even more voluminous, which is what I'm looking for. But if you're looking for wispy, lengthened lashes, that's a great option. The next item I'm grabbing here is the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. This is for immune support. These are very cool. I've gotten these before. Ooh, and I have 2 of them. I guess that's the upgrade. Now today I was smart and I brought in my water. I'm going to try this out. It is a powder. It tastes good. Hopefully it's not too many carbs. I'll have to look and see. 45 calories. I am back on the wagon trying to watch my carbs and my sugar. If it's only got 45 calories, it can't have too much carbs. I will look it up and post. That's good. Okay, I had to check. It does have 11 grams of carbs. So you have to watch if you are a low carber. It's not the same as a soda, but it does count when you're trying to stay 20 or less. I am doing well. I've been eating right since Tuesday. I have a wedding to go to in a month, so I need to get myself together. These retail for $9.98 for a 6-count. Next in the box, we have the Completely Smooth Moisturizing No Bump Shave Gel, and this is from the company Completely Bare. It says it has a fresh scent. Go ahead and open it up. Curious as to the consistency. Is this a full-size bottle? Full size is $12.79 for 6 ounces. This is a 2-ounce bottle. So what, 3 times the size would be $13. That's not bad. This is what the consistency looks like. Oh, it's nice. It's on the thick side. It just smells like soap. It smells nice. I will use this. Next is some Thayers Witch Hazel Toner. This comes in different scents. Mine is in the scent Cucumber. I can smell it already. I like it. I use mine every day. I usually get the original scented, but I've gone through phases where I've gone through the different scents. This I use with my makeup erasers after I wash my face just to get any excess makeup off. It's amazing. I wash my face really, really well, take my time, and then it's crazy that I'll put some of this on my makeup eraser and wipe around my face, and I will find usually bronzer on that makeup eraser. So this is like my double cleanse type situation. Thayers is a great inexpensive toner. I just ordered, I think Ulta had them on sale. I just ordered 2 more big bottles. They were buy one get one 40% off, but Walmart has a fantastic price on this product as well. $7.98 for 8.5 ounces. And this is a 3-ounce bottle. This would be good for travel. The next product, super excited. This is the Cetaphil Healing Ointment. Skin protectant for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. Protects and relieves, free of mineral oil, lanolin, preservatives, fragrance, and suitable for babies. Yay. I actually have the CeraVe Ultimate Healing Ointment in my bathroom right now, and it is almost gone. So I am excited to have this. Now this, when I see ointment, that makes me think I should be using it at night because it sounds like it might be a little on the heavy side. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks a little bit like Vaseline, but I have the driest hands ever. It's amazing. I can't keep the oil off my face, and then my hands dry out crazy. My little guy with autism, I wash my hands a lot dealing with his diapering issues. So I think that's what happens, and I try to lotion after each time I wash my hands, but it's hard to stay on top of it. But that's not bad. That went into my hands well. This one, the full value is $9.97 for 3 ounces. Oh, this is a full size. This is a $9.97 full size bottle. Thank you, Walmart. And now the last product I have here, this one is from Hairatage, and it is the Call It a Night Satin Pillowcase. This retails for $9.94. It's a pretty, like, gray-green sort of shade. That's what it looks like to me. This is very pretty. I like the color, I like the way that it feels, and I sleep on a satin pillowcase every single night. Satin pillowcases help your hair to be less frizzy. It does not take moisture out of your skin like a cotton or other material pillowcase would do. So I love satin pillowcases, and I think I only have 2, so I rotate them back and forth each time I change my bed. So this is great to have. So goodness, this is over $30 value because we had the full-size mascara, the full-size healing ointment, obviously the pillowcase. So those 3 alone go over $30. And then we had the bonus Thayers, the bonus liquid IV, and the no bump shave gel. I will have all of the Walmart information in the description box below if you're interested. It's fun. It's $7 a quarter, or every now and again they'll give you the opportunity to upgrade for maybe $10.98, which was what they did for me, and not sponsored. It's just fun, and I wanted to share, and I hope you enjoyed it. All of the products, including my makeup, also linked in the description box. I thank you so much for giving me your time today. This was a fun unboxing. If you're not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. If you hit the notification bell, you'll get a notification every time I upload a video. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Let's chat. What subscription boxes do you get? Do you recommend any to me? I would love to know. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.